If you already have a game installed on your computer and you want Epic Games Launcher to detect it instead of downloading everything again, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the easiest way to add an already installed game to Epic Games, step by step, so you can save time, avoid re-downloading large files, and get back into your game faster. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your PC and sign in to your Epic Games account. Once you're logged in, head over to the library section. This is where all of your games and installs are managed, and this is also where Epic Games will look when you want to install or detect a game that is already on your system. Now find the game you want Epic Games to recognize. If you already have it installed in another folder, that's perfectly fine. The main goal here is to point Epic Games toward the location where the game files already exist. Click the install button for that game. When the install window appears, Epic Games will ask you to choose a location. This part is important because you need to select the folder where the game is already installed, or at least the folder where you want those files to be placed. If the launcher tells you the folder isn't empty, don't panic. That usually means there are already files there, which is exactly what we want in most cases. You can cancel the installation for a moment, then make sure the existing game files are in that selected folder if they aren't already. Sometimes the folder path needs to match exactly, so double check that everything is in the right place. After that, go back and start the installation process again. This time, Epic Games should begin verifying the files instead of downloading the entire game from scratch. That verification step is what saves you all the time, because the launcher checks the files already on your drive and only downloads anything that's missing or needs to be repaired. Let it finish verifying and be patient while it scans. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a little while, but it is still much faster than a full download. Once the verification is complete, the game will be detected by Epic Games and marked as installed. At that point, you should be able to launch it normally straight from your Epic Games library. This method is really useful if you moved the game from another drive, reinstalled Windows, or already had the files backed up somewhere on your PC. It can save you a huge amount of bandwidth and a lot of waiting. If this helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.